how to connect your JVC Roku TV to the Wi-Fi, or how to connect your TV to another Wi-Fi network. Press the home button once, and on this list here we need to go down, and one of the options should be settings. Click OK on the remote control, then click again once you have highlighted network, and here you're going to select setup connection. Select wireless. Wait a few seconds because it will scan for all the Wi-Fi networks around the TV. You're going to get a list. Maybe your list will be longer with all the different networks available. To connect to a network, you simply have to highlight it in white and then press OK. You're going to type the password using this keyboard, then select connect, press OK, and it's now currently connecting. And in a few seconds, you'll be able to use the Wi-Fi. It even tells you over here, you see, connected, and also the signal strength. If you see that it says poor instead of good, well, it means that you need to move your TV closer to your Wi-Fi network or bring your Wi-Fi router closer to your TV, because it may have some troubles connecting in the future. But overall, here it is. You can go ahead and start using your Roku TV, download apps, go on YouTube, watch my videos, have fun. Yep. See you. Have a beautiful day.